Jai Srimanarayana. Fifth sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Mahabhutani ahankaro buddhihi avyaktamevacha indriyani desaikancha pancachendriya gocharaha. Om. Realize that Sakshat Srimanarayana himself is appreciating the precious instrument, the body that is given to you, and Paramatma explaining that 24 high-level substances are combined to make your body. Such a huge and precious instrument is given to you. Keep on, every moment, keep on appreciating that you got this body, but do not spoil it. Make sure you keep this always pure and sanctified. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. You do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Krishna, oh Srimanarayana, I shall always keep on realizing that such a precious instrument is given to me, that is my body. I shall keep always this body pure and sanctified, and I shall not spoil this opportunity. Oh Krishna, oh Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart." Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 232nd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this: Hey Bhagavan, I have tried to show my magic on you. It is an adventure. Please forgive me. Ataha kshamasvachyuta me rajo bhuvo hi ajanataha. I have rajogunam. O Achyuta, you please forgive all my mistakes. With the effect of rajogunam, sarvesane rajo janitunda మూఢుండ ప్రభుడ నేనని వెర్రి ప్రల్లదమున గర్వించినాడను గర్వాంధకారాంధనయనుండ కృపచూడు నన్ను. హో సర్వేశ్వర, హో కృష్ణ, విత్ ద ఎఫెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ రజోగుణం I thought I am the master, I am the supreme, and with that arrogance I became so proud, and that arrogance, that garvam, that proud made my eyes closed. If the garvam is, if the arrogance is darkness, my eyes totally covered with darkness and I could not realize anything. Hey Bhagavan, I became stupid, thinking and tried to do something like I am Ishvara, I am Sakshat Paramesvara, but I became stupid. Hey Bhagavan, that garvam which is there in me made my thoughts like I am the Vishvasrushtikarta, but in reality I am your servant. Anukampyaha mayi nadhavan. Please shower your grace on me. Achyuta kshamasva. Oh Achyuta, please forgive me. Like that, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 5th sloka. Mahabhutanyahankaraha buddhiravyaktamevacha indriyani dasaikancha panchachendriya gocharaha. Mahabhutanyahankaraha buddhiravyaktamevacha indriyani dasaikancha panchachendriya gocharaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.